Serekali kwa ushirikiano na kampuni ya Beckton ya teknolojia ya afya sasa wametangaza ushirikiano kupitia shirika la masuala ya saratani nchini ili kukabiliana na saratani na haswa miongoni mwa kina mama. Kupitia ushirikiano huu, kunradhi mtazamaji,
Today, we can record that cervical cancer is the leading cause of death amongst our women in our country. And having a project like what we've witnessed today being launched here at Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital, it will go a long way in preventing cervical cancer through HPV vaccination. We will also have an opportunity to educate the public on the risk factors, not only at the launch, but continuously.
This particular collaboration will go a long way in making sure that women who need these services the most are able to access cervical cancer prevention services, particularly cervical cancer screening. And we look forward to the sustainability of this project and to continuously working together with both the government and the private sector to ensure that we scale up this work in Kenya and beyond.
When you serve communities that are low resourced, you truly want to also give them excellent service and do it with care and empathy. And what BD Africa has done will be eternally remembered because of the service of providing women with cancer treatment, cancer prevention, cancer education through this facility that you see behind us.
Na baadhi ya wanachama